Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Xinput1_3.dll is missing from your computer, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we'll do is re-register all the DLLs on the system. So for that, we'll copy this command. You'll find this command in the description of this video. We'll copy this and run the command prompt in elevated mode by clicking on run as administrator, and then we'll enter this command. We'll paste this command and press enter. This will re-register all the DLL files, and then try opening the app again. If it doesn't open, then you need to go to your browser and you need to download the DirectX runtime Windows installer, and you can click on download DirectX from the Microsoft window, and you can click on download. So DirectX end user runtime web installer. Open the folder, right click, click on run as administrator, and then the installation should open. Click I accept the agreement, next, and install it. Then you simply have to restart the computer by pressing the start button, the power button, and restart, and the app should open. You should no longer have this .dll file missing message. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.